My name is Tony. I've been in Canada for 28 years. I know I do a lot of painting, but I'm actually not so good at painting. I'm more interested in installation art because as an artist, we try to improve ourselves all the time. So we cannot stay at one level. We have to keep on moving or look for something new to do. When I first started, like you said, there were not much opportunity. Suddenly, there's so many artist studio happening in area near Richmond. Places like Le Pont, they provide opportunity for young people to go and see artwork. That's good. People just love to spend time to interact with the artists or out to see the artwork. In Japan, there's a philosophy called wabi-sabi. So nothing is perfect, right? Including you and me. So I like the idea. Nothing is perfect. So if I cannot get things done right now, we come back next time. Come back tomorrow. There will be a better day. There's no need to get too upset about it. Since losing my wife, I realized that life is very short. There are many unexpected things happen. So enjoy life. Do something from your heart. I have always been like that. Follow my heart. Of course, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes I need to pay the consequences, But at the end, I'm happy. My band manager may not be happy, but I'm okay. If you make a good living, then you will forget about making art. So hungry artists always better than than a successful artist. When you are hungry, you will do better work.